So we're at Ruf Automobile, Geneva Salon 2017. Sorry, 2018. And my personal choice of today, of all the Ruf cars here, is actually not the new STR, I believe the name is. It's this. It's a narrow body RtR, 802 horsepower, 990 Newton meters, matched to manual gearbox with a facelift. So it's the light bar all the way, and it's a facelift front with cues to the yellow bird with round holes. Pfaffenhausen. I never seen this logo. That's crazy. And damn, I don't want night shot. My apologies. Sorry. And it's classic intake, and it will never be able in double clutch. I have to ask Mark to unlock that. Mark, can you unlock the RT flap again? And now it's open. So it's a manual gearbox. It's like it's a cues back to the legendary RT12R. The RtR. So you have a brutal 802 horsepower, which I believe even more. I would say at least 900 horsepower. 990 Newton meters of torque. And all Ruf. This is such a brutal car. Just see the detail. Ruf dial. And oh yeah, Turbo S. It's not Turbo S. Anyway, here 6-speed, top speed 350, so it's over 350. Just imagine going all out on Autobahn with this. And I think the interior is tasteful when you have a white checkered pattern. Just completely brutal. I would go for a more leather interior. Some reason I love double clutch, but I mean, having this in your collection, you have a 997 Turbo S with PDK, and then you as well could go 991 generation with manual. I mean, imagine 990 Newton meters in a manual 991 gearbox or a 991 chassis. And it's a narrow body, and I can kind of recognize this from the RT12. No, what's the name? Yeah, RT12. And what I also like this, it has the classic 911 wheels. Sorry, the classic Ruf wheels. I think like a Ruf should have those wheels. Gorgeous. You know what? We need to look at the engine. See if it's... Open it. Yes. Here you see Ruf. And this is finally you see the engine on a 991 Turbo S. You don't see anything. Here you see some parts of the engine. It's beautiful. Let's see. Remember here, how was it? There we have it. See? Roof bag. This is nice roof. Car cover, roof here, carbon. No carbon hood, but I'm sure, I mean, you could get the whole body in carbon if you want to. Wow, what a 991 monster. Complete monster. See here? 802 horsepower, 990 newton meters. Brutal. 1490 kilos. And a classic roof. You can see down here the air intake. Brutal.